Hi everyone, my name is Brandy. So how to register your drone in China with or without a Chinese mobile phone number? First of all, if you already have one but you cannot register and still watching this video, it's probably of the IT bugs in the system. I made it a lot, and actually I had some clients coming to me and actually made a small business out of it because of the IT bugs in the system. You might have everything right, but you cannot choose the drone type. I know how to solve it, but because I have a small business, I have a link below, and you will need to write me an email to get it through. And if you want to try and if you don't have a Chinese mobile number and you want to know what are the options, here are the free solutions. First of all, you can find a friend who is already in China, mainland China, that has a country code start with 86. With that, you could have your friends help to register for you. Just to remind you, first of all, please find a trusted friend, mutually trusted friend, because you will need to provide your passport information, and your friend has to input his or her passport information and phone number, and that will be binded, like the drone and the phone number will be binded in the registered system. And that friend has to be a good friend. That's because I got this firstly from a friend from Mexico. She's a very, very good friend that I'm willing to spend 4 hours solving all the problems for her to finally register it. For a first timer, it's really time consuming. So think twice before you ask for the favor. It might cost that girl 4 hours just to register it for you. And then some people are talking about buying a SIM card when they arrived China and register on their own. It's possible, but you have a little risk. First of all, some rumors, I don't know, but some rumors said the officials, the immigrations, they can keep your unregistered drone, and you can only get it back when you depart China, which means you will go to the Great Wall, go to other amazing sites without your drone. And another risk is that you will meet the same IT bugs that I said before, that you have a mobile phone number but you cannot register it, and then you will still need my help after all, urgently, because you're already in China. You don't have many days to wait, and I might not be available at the time. This is a second risk. And a third risk, you cannot find a printer with a sticky paper, because after registering it will give you a QR code and you have to print it on a sticky paper at a minimum 2 times 2 centimeter, and then paste it on the drone and keep it visible for all the time when it's flying, and that will be valid for 3 years. So you don't want an ugly one, just like very ugly paper on your drone for 3 years. And once you're in China and your hotel might not have a printing service or might not have the right type of paper you want, and because of safety, many hotels, they don't provide scissors anymore, so you might need to use your hand to cut it and paste it, I don't know. So everything will be much easier if you are just at home and know where's the place to find the right type of printer, paper, scissors, and get it done and get it secured that you already registered a drone before you travel to China. Below is my article on my LinkedIn, and to further elaborate how it works. Any questions, just write me a comment or drop me an email. Thank you.